Hey guys, quick video today going over the steps on how to find a lost Roku remote if you have the ability built in to your Roku TV. So what we want to do is head on over to our Roku TV, and in the center here you can find a button. We're going to click on that to power on our Roku TV, and then at this point, once we're on the home page, we want to go down, find that button again and click on it. That's going to open up this menu over here, and if we click it a second time, then you can see where it says find remote, and it says listen to your remote and then press any button to stop the sound after you find your remote. So going over and finding where the sound is coming from, I can locate the Roku TV remote and then just click any button to turn the sound off, and then that is how you find your Roku TV remote. So I hope this video is helpful going through the steps on how to find a lost Roku TV remote. Again, if you have this ability built in to your Roku TV, you just get to this main menu page. You find the button right here, click on that to open up our menu, click on it again to find that Roku remote. And that's gonna wrap this one up. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.